We're 10 degrees lower than average, so with a high of 54 today in Bakersfield. Still looking at those cooler temperatures, but clearing skies behind me. So we saw a strong cold front make its way through the county today. So that actually brought some snow flurries up to those higher elevations, as well as those cooler temperatures and strong winds. Now we're still seeing a few flurries hanging out in our mountain communities, but still strong winds in Bakersfield. So 15 miles per hour in Bakersfield, 13 down at the base of the Grapevine, and strong winds across our desert right now. But that's actually going to be keeping our air quality in the good range for yet another day tomorrow. So we have an AQI of 50 and there are no restrictions, but burning is still discouraged for us. So we're still seeing a few flurries hanging out around 8:30 tonight into 9 o'clock. Still some strong winds, so 30-mile-per-hour winds into Hatchby, 15 down near Fraser Park. But we're talking about clearing skies tonight. So that's going to be dropping our temperatures down a lot. So that's actually going to be having a hard freeze warning in effect for us in the valley tonight. So we're going to be seeing those sub-freezing conditions, but there is a freeze watch across the county through Thursday morning. So tonight into those early hours tomorrow, that's where we're actually going to be seeing the lowest temperatures, but still looking at sub-freezing through at least Thursday. So we're looking at 30 as a low tomorrow in Bakersfield, but sunny skies. And then we have another storm making its way into the county Thursday night into Friday. Now we could be seeing some rain here for us in Bakersfield, still down to those below average temperatures. But then as we head into next weekend, we're talking about the sunshine coming back, and then we'll be right on par for those average temperatures for this time of year. Kern River Valley tomorrow, 46 as a high, but 28 as a low, and we're still in those freezing, even below freezing through Friday, where we see some snow flurries again coming in. That would be Thursday night into those early hours on Friday to Hatchby and Fraser Park. Looking at lows in the teens tomorrow, and that's going to be continuing for us through Thursday. Still 28 degrees below freezing, but then we're going to be dropping down to 38 as a high in Fraser Park, with another chance of some snow making its way in.
Yep.
38 is a high.
Yeah. That should
no, be. Not for me. I'll be right
Went
here.
to the warm temperatures last week, below freezing for us now. So definitely make sure to be checking on your pets, plants, even the elderly, because it's going to be very cold out there.
And another big concern, ag too. We have almond harvest coming up and
citrus trees.
Yeah, so it's
a lot.